Hi guys. If you're looking for a free Lightroom preset, this video for you. Now you can see the result before and after the preset. To have the same result you should just watch this video and repeat after me. If you haven't found a preset that you need, you can leave a comment below this video and we will develop a preset special for you. Don't forget to subscribe and you'll never miss a new preset which is we publish here every day. So stop talking, let's do it.
These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing. Like night into morning, I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that home's where the heart is. Home's where the heart is. The endless journey, I need not worry. I'll get where I'm going. I made it this far, beyond where you are, and I'll keep on growing. I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that home's where the heart is. Home's where the heart is. These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing. Like night into morning, I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you.
The preset is ready. Now let's show how to apply the preset settings to other photos. We are always happy for your requests for presets. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like and write comments. Thank you for being with us. We are trying for you.